Kurt Moreland, headed through the Charleston IP Safety Conference. All right, well, I'm over here at the First Power Group booth, and I'm here with Chris Hill. Chris, we've got a lot of bottles of fluid here on the table. This looks very unique. Tell me a little bit about your booth and your display here.
Okay, well, the bottles are for our switch maintenance program.
Okay.
We have this tool called the Hornet that we use to apply the fluids. And it's pretty simple. It begins with a 1FR penetrant. It's really good at dissolving corrosion and also for hotspot mitigation. And then you can apply the cleaner 2NP and then a 3PAO lubricant.
Chris, I wanted to ask you about this. I saw this stinger fluid. It's wasp spray.
Yes, we have a wasp killer. It works fairly instantaneously and it's really effective. It is also non-conductive, non-flammable.
So it's not just, you're not just selling one bottle, you're selling a whole solution.
Yeah, it's a whole program.
And then I'm guessing this is like the dispenser.
Yeah.
Tell me how, if I was a line person, how would I work it? It looks like
so this one just
pretty
pops
easy.
off.
Yeah.
And then you can then screw in the fluid cans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah. Just screws in.
Pretty easy.
And it has a Bluetooth remote control. This tool is, it can be mounted on a drone or on a hot stick. It comes with a GoPro camera.
Chris, I'm going to share a personal experience. I was using an aerosol can and I got ready to do my job and the little button that you use, it popped off. It was useless then.
Yeah.
So I can see the importance of this. It's industrial strength, something that you need when you're up in the air working in storms. Is it waterproof too?
Yes.
Looks like it.
And all the fluids are non-conductive, non-flammable.
And then tell me what's in this case here.
Okay, so this case is our Lube by Number kit. It's for cleaning, maintaining, lubricating circuit breakers. All the chemicals are standardized and they work well together. It's pretty easy. You just go by the guide. It tells you what to apply, where to apply, and how much to apply.
And is the same thing over here, or is this a different solution?
This is a different kit. It's also for circuit breakers, 69 kV or less, where you can reach the mechanism. And it's a minimal disassembly kit, so you don't have to disassemble. You can just clean, work the mechanism, clean, lubricate, and you're done in about an hour.
All right. Thanks for being here.
Thanks.